Only it's really hard that cho nên even up until today, 2023, cho nên là chỉ sợ ra chỉ bù nè. It's like you're living your life in fear. You and know nobody wants to live their life in fear. But this is something hard to combat because one do tu mo kinh dân from all parts of life. So có yếu tu nên rong tê lo tu tê rồi lo bỏ có yếu tu nên pay. Because some things from an individual tienen jatsi pur kosto. The only way is to find more self-defense mechanisms. Có ti thái có brain, có ti thái có tu can. You got misinformed of something. Thì tê rồi có you shoot to itu nang and jay chako. It's really hard to understand life because one do tu that they take it really far. Yo took a chung. Tienen ít cho không biết tên nó they logica jatsi, but I think not all people are evil. There are some good in people too. Though to tienen is nupia through mythology and theoretically the game ba nó lấy một tia đầu tienen. Though ni no tienen more cái chân chơi. You disrupt có lu psychological behavior or control the call. Then yeah, you might mess up. But you have to find ways to protect yourself in your brain, your mind, your body, whatever that is hurting you. Mundo tu the pozo ke tunje and they lo jishi mu because that's how some people are brought up. So it's okay about human mistreatment in confusion. No, there's modern day written law. As a basing, I believe yes, we all have a right to say and speak our own opinion. A lot of people do not agree with you. And you cannot find someone to help you if the name that you trust go. You have to help yourself sometimes. It's your little encouragement along the little chipaco because other people misinterpret it. But you have to learn that you cannot sacrifice yourself or other people because Linda and if people against you, yes, you have to protect yourself psychologically and physically. Not all people are born perfect. And not all people are willing to teach or tell you how to live your life. Think of internet, through social media, and other ways to look at information. The she you got pretty stick up practice, no. You have to keep learning how to be a good person. No emotion. In life, there's more to life than just looking at somebody like they're dumb or they don't know Chúng ya learning to. You can't always misinterpret yakha like being a straightforward person. Itu neng ideology with the itu. But it doesn't mean that in life itu neng jechako or you express your own opinion. You get more topa che. That kind of behavior and threatening stuff should be left in the movies. A lot of people learn try because it's just a thorn. But other people, the bots can try. They will go to. But you have to learn how to face your fear and not let these kinds of things bring you down or hurt you in any other way. Some people let you discourage go. Kochimojo. The shiko yoshu. The taiko do ken. The teya. Etin wotoko.